ka mabuhayers. I'm your teacher vlogger, teacher Bina Silawidon, the retired teacher. I'm riding now a jeepney going to my Davao city tour. As you can see, I'm the only one passenger. That's the abundance of blessing of a retired teacher. Kaya na magpakyaw ng jeep. There's no one, but only me. But up to this point, because further our destination, they will already allow more passengers. And have a glimpse of the traffic condition right now. And this is it. We just stopped for the traffic light. The traffic light there is already in a red color. It means we are going to stop. It's amazing this time. Where are we now? What how do you call this area? Roas Market pa? Hindi na. And what area is this? Kung sa'yo tawag dire?
Quirino, ma'am.
Quirino. So we are now here in Quirino. Usually this is a traffic. So in as much as I'm the only one, I need to go near to my pilot there. Okay, additional 15. That's my money. Thank you. So do not like to baba and sakay again. How long are you in this business? Matagal na? Doon kayo nakakayo? Doon kayo nag-drive?
Mga 30 years na, ma'am.
Wow. And all is good. Lahat ng travel good. Yeah. So, I'm comfortable with my pilot, jeepney pilot now. Okay, so this is it. Shout out sa mga ano mo. Nag-stop kami. We stop because the traffic is red. But we are now going now proceed because it's green. Actually, if there are many passengers, no need to clear near the driver to pay my pamasahe right there. You just request your co-passengers na you will up this word, liyo ko akong pamasahe pakiabot. So that's the usual situation. But since I'm the only one riding, I need to go there and give my fare about this travel. It's a wonderful ride. All alone am I. So let me share to you again how's my city tour. I'm going to Gaisano, Elosta. And hopefully if I have enough time, I will be having other mall hopping. This is my life in Davao. Just join me, I'll show you. Okay, we have another passenger there sitting in front with the driver. Such a wonderful ride. Amazing. Really, I enjoyed my life in Davao. Davao Lodge is here.
Ma'am,
Dito na ako. So may sukli pa ko. Okay. I need to give my change. So, nagbigay ako 50. 50. Katong pang Matina cruising lang. Oo, katong bago lang. Sorry. So, that's it. Thank you. Mo tabo ko, I will cross. Thank you. So, this is now the... Sandali hindi pa ako nakababa. This is now the nearest kanto going to Gaisano. I have to be back there in as much as my Suki card. I left that there in one of the establishments, so I need to go. So I'm crossing now the pedestrian line. As you can see, they are respecting your crossing. So we look for the pedestrian line. Okay, this is it. Slippery. You have to be careful. I have to cross the street. Okay, this is it. And finally, crossing again. Wow. Sometimes you have to run, but actually, generally, the normal speed of crossing is okay. And as much as the driver will automatically stop and give you the time to cross the pedestrian line or the street. So I'm going now, going there to Gaisano Ilog Street for other concerns. It's really amazing, so amazing. Okay, yeah. There you are. That's the Gaisano Ilog Street. In a distance, I can already glance in that big building, the blue and yellow building is the Gaisano Ilog Street. I love the song, praising song, so nice. Yeah, worship song. Oh, finally, I'm here. The arrival. Gaisano Ilog Street, a big building. Let's see, there's a vehicle. Stop, look, and listen. I'm crossing now the pedestrian line. Let's go. Gaisano. Okay. Sorry, I don't like dogs. Okay lang, I don't like dogs. This is it. That vendor is convincing me to buy dogs, but please respect me. As much as I'm having my traumatic childhood experience that time. So I just love the chicken, the cute chicken. Yeah, I love to have that as my alaga. So this is it. My arrival to Gaisano Ilog Street, Davao. Okay, let's get inside. Okay, stop, look, listen, and cross the street. The arrival. So for now, I have to close my vlog, and as much as the security guard might not allow me to vlog inside without permission, or I'm not sure if it's okay to vlog. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, maganda buhay, lovely, good person, good life. Thank you, Mabuhayers, for joining me my day in Davao City today, as I share you my Davao City tour to the downtown. Thank you, Kamabuhayers, my viewers, my Kamabuhay. I'm your teacher vlogger, vlogger of the century. Teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, the retired teacher, live and alive here in Gaisano, Ilostre, Davao City. Don't forget to like, comment, share my YouTube Mabuhay channel, my Facebook account, and follow me in my reels. Thank you, Kamabuhayers, for always subscribing and following me, my vlogs every day. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good person, good life. I am your retired teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Signing off until my next vlog. Mabuhay. Okay, that's it. Mabuhay.